Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. One of my absolute favorite ways to make my home feel warm and inviting is with these Scentsicles, 2 dashes of cinnamon scented sticks. So the first thing you notice is how delicious they smell. It's like a rich, totally natural cinnamon scent. It's not artificial and it's not overpowering. Warm, cozy, and comforting is how I would describe it. And what I love is how long lasting the scent is. I can place these all over my house so the fragrance feels consistent and intentional. I can tuck them into closets. You know how closets can get kind of stale. I hang them in my entranceway so when you first walk in my house, you smell this light, warm cinnamon smell and you have no idea where it's coming from. I even place them in my spare bathroom to keep everything smelling fresh and welcoming. That's a room that doesn't get used as much, so I feel like it really needs it in there. So these are incredibly easy to use. Each stick comes with a little hook and a little hole, so you just have to hang them. And you don't have to plug it in, there's no sprays, there's no maintenance. It's simple, beautiful scent exactly where you want it. I think these would work great in the car as well. The fragrance feels natural without any unpleasant sharpness that you can sometimes get from home scents. So if you want an effortless way to add a consistent, cozy cinnamon scent throughout your house, this is one of those products that really delivers every single time. And that is my point of view.